In this guide, you would get brief explanation about how to use ChatGPT without an account. OpenAI is one of the best platforms that provides users with a wide range of functionalities, allowing them to use ChatGPT both with and without signing in. However, there are limited features available for users without an account. According to OpenAI, there are many benefits to creating an account, including the ability to save and review your chat history, share chats, and unlock additional features like voice conversations and custom instructions. In this guide, you will find a brief explanation on how to use ChatGPT without an account, how to use ChatGPT without an account. Users can easily use ChatGPT without an account by following the steps mentioned below. Launch web browser. Firstly, you need to open the web browser, go to the ChatGPT website. Now browse to chat.openai.com, and here you are on ChatGPT's website. Start a new chat. You would get a clean slate as you haven't logged into your account. You would always have to start from the scratch as none of your history is saved. So if you want your history, then you must create an account. To begin a new chat, start typing in the chat box available at the bottom of your screen. Submit your prompt. Once you have written your prompt, you have to tap the send message button or just press enter. Continue chatting. Using ChatGPT would be perfect, but only for casual use. Users can easily send a variety of messages. But if you want to take a further step, means you want to craft artificial intelligence AI photos, save your history, and more, then consider making a free or a paid account to receive the content tailored to your requirements.